Today I will share with you a very delicious dish, minced egg custard. A plate in the hotel sells for $28. The cost of doing it at home should not exceed $10. The steamed egg custard is fragrant and smooth. Can't afford a honeycomb. Follow my video next. Let's see how it works. First we prepare 4 serious hen eggs. They are only 60 cents each. We first break the eggs into a large bowl. If a friend who is afraid of getting also heat a dark egg. Add an appropriate amount of salt to it. Add a few drops of white vinegar to remove the fish smell. Then stir well with chopsticks. We are going to stir a little longer here. Generally, the egg yolk is easy to break, and chicken protein is not easily crushed. So stir a little longer. Finally, you can pick it up with chopsticks like this. This time, we are going to add 1.5 times the amount of warm water to it. The water temperature is about 40 degrees. Then continue to stir well with chopsticks. Be sure to use warm water when making custard. Never use cold water. Cold water may make eggs honeycomb. The steamed eggs may have a fishy smell. Not to mention hot water. As soon as the hot water soaks the eggs, they become lumps. Then the steamed eggs are not tender enough. After mixing well, we will use a spoon to remove the foam floating on it. Skim it clean. Then put it in the steamer. Steam over high heat for 8 分钟. Use after week. This time we prepare some fresh lean meat. First slice the lean meat with a knife. Next, chop the lean meat into minced meat with a knife. When we choose meat, we choose this front leg meat. The front leg meat is tender. You can also use tenderloin or plum blossom meat. Chop the minced meat slightly. Chop it all up and put it in a small bowl for later use. Next, prepare some scallion leaves and cut them into scallions. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. The egg custard at this time has been. Let's open the lid repeatedly first. This will not cause rapid cooling. Shrinks the custard quickly. Next, we open the lid. Put it on the cutting board first, then add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the minced meat down and fry until fragrant. Stir fry the minced meat first. Fry out the excess water in it. Fry the minced meat inside until it changes color. This way the meat will taste better. After the color change, add a little cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Continue to stir fry evenly. Stir fry the excess fat on it. After all the incense, we are going to unload it and put it on top of the custard. Then pour a spoonful of the egg liquid you just scooped out. Let the minced meat inside soak into the egg liquid. And we put it back in the steamer. Cover the pot and steam over high heat for 7 分钟. It's time. We open the lid. Wow, there's an aroma. Carefully clip it out with a clip. Then drizzle a little sesame oil to enhance the aroma. I like to eat camellia oil at home. You can also put a little camellia oil. Then drizzle with a spoonful of light soy sauce. It can add flavor and color. Makes the custard look less monotonous. And finally, some sexy scallions. A nice and delicious steamed egg with minced meat. Just do it. The steamed egg custard is fragrant and tender. Both children and the elderly enjoy it very much. Added minced meat is more nutritious. Egg custard steamed my way. There will be no honeycomb. Tastes extra tender and smooth. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. You won't be disappointed. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. Our next video. Goodbye. Thank you for your support.